Hello everyone, in this short video I'm gonna share my experience buying forex signals from Surge Network or Federico Sena. So at first, when I bought his signals on January 19, it was good, right? I really enjoyed his signals, and his signals group is this, fx4society free, right? This is the logo of his group where he gives his signals. At first his signals were pretty good, but because I was using other guys' signals, I lost my entire account. I blown it up, and then I asked this guy to not charge me for the second month. Unfortunately, I forgot about my PayPal subscription, so on February 19 I got charged for the second month, even though I couldn't pay, right? Even though I couldn't trade anymore. And so this came as a total surprise to me. I didn't want to pay for the second month, and I asked him for a refund. At first he was kind of polite and courteous. He said, I'm going to refund you, right? And then after February 19, I started sending him personal messages on Telegram, right? So this was my account, and I'm asking him, I'm explaining him my situation. My account is down because of other guys' signals, right? It was $10. So obviously I cannot trade anymore, and therefore there is no point buying your signals anymore. So could you please refund me back my money? So he was courteous and polite, and it was going good in the beginning. It was going well. He said he's going to do it. Then he stopped replying to my personal messages. I sent him a payment request, which he gladly cancelled, right? He blocked me on Telegram after that. So you see, lasting a long time ago means you've been blocked, and you can no longer, the person who blocked you cannot see your messages. And so, yeah, I sent him an email asking him if he can refund it, but then he ignored it again. So he ignored me on all possible communication channels, right? So because of this, because he ignored me and blocked me, it has led me to a realization that I have no choice but to raise a claim to a dispute, which I did. And so I was bouncing emails back and forth between PayPal customer support and me. Didn't result in much progress, and so I had to call PayPal customer support in person. And finally on March 18, which is today or yesterday, I got a refund. So again, guys, this is his free group. It's his free group. He says transparency. He says no matter what, I'm going to show you our results, if it's a win or lose. Don't believe this motherfucker, okay? Don't believe this person. He scams people left and right. So even if a person seems to be nice and polite and courteous and all transparent everywhere, this doesn't stop a person from blocking you, stopping replying to your messages, not giving you a refund. So yeah, this is my honest review of this guy Federico. Apparently he's from Colombia, based on his let me show you, based on the code +57. He's from Colombia or Latin America. He goes by username Mr. Flawless. Well, I don't know how flawless his signals are, but my experience was pretty negative, so I'm just giving you my honest review here in this video, okay? He gives his analysis here. Again, guys, I really do not recommend you join any signal service. Remember, signal services can work for some time, but apparently, in the end, it's all about your experience. It's all about how well you understand the market, and it can take years. Some people in the beginning, probably like a year ago, told me about this. They told me that I should be very careful with the signals, but I didn't believe. And I had to learn it the hard way. I had to learn it myself. Yeah, so he might be giving you some analysis, but it didn't stop him from not giving me a refund. It didn't stop him from blocking me and ignoring me on all signals channels. Yep, so this is my honest review. And you can see I'm not lying. You can see this is my payment to him. I finally got my refund only today, a month after he blocked me, right? Yeah, so hopefully this video will be helpful to you in deciding whether to pursue signal services or not.